Alright, hello YouTube, this is the SMC Laguna ceiling fan. This is the second one that I got, this is the one that was new in box. It's the box right here, made by Shell Manufacturing Company. It features the Hang Sure, which I guess is sort of a copy of Hang True. It's interesting that they have it shown with such long down rods. I'd say that's probably like a foot or longer down rod, but it only comes with like a 6-inch down rod with only enough wires for a 6-inch down rod. That's all it came with, which I thought was rather weird, and the box had clearly never been opened. I still haven't plugged it in yet, so I'm going to do that now. See if it even turns on. I wouldn't imagine so, being that's never been used. Nope. So yeah, it's in very good shape. I just kind of hand tightened all the bolts. They're all done correctly as how it's shown on the directions. Oh. One second, I forgot to put this on. Actually comes with like a little pull tab too. It's really cheap. It's like some fabric with like a little plastic medallion. Anyways, let's get started on. Okay. That's really strange. Why isn't it working? You know, I will be right back. I'm not really sure what's going on here. Alright, hello YouTube, I am back. What I found out was actually the black wire. I didn't read the label. The black wire is actually for the light, and the blue wire is for the fan. Typically, the blue wire is for the light, and the black wire is for the fan. So that's why I couldn't get it to work. So let's give it a go and start off on low. Let me bring my lawn chair over here. Turn the carousel off. Get a good indication of how well this works. I'm actually rather surprised as to how quiet it is. At least on low. Go to medium. It has quite a fast low speed. See if it shakes any. It's actually going rather fast on medium. It's shaking a little bit, but that's probably because the motor's uneven. This fan is labeled May of 1987. Go to high. Again, you know, rather good breeze underneath it. Down here at average level, it's given actually a really decent breeze compared to my other one. And it is quite quiet. Give it a spin down. Here, still sitting over there spinning down. And I didn't notice this until after the previous video, but actually this fan is shown with a schoolhouse light globe, which I thought was rather interesting. It's got all the schematics right here, kind of cool. Yeah, this one's a little better quality than my last one, obviously, you know, because it's new in box. Would this be my second new inbox fan? No, third. Seems like every new inbox fan I get is from Goodwill. And yeah, it is actually all from Goodwill. No, I guess technically third, because I have a Hunter Summer Breeze that's new in box, but that one doesn't even have a switch housing, so I can't operate it. Pretty good spin down time too. Yeah. A little better spin down time than my other Laguna. I don't know, I might actually consider putting 2 of these out here where I had the other one. I don't remember why I took that one down. I guess just because. Go to the low reverse. Because it actually did fit. It was, I don't know, I think it was about a quarter of an inch, half an inch away from hitting the garage door opener brace. Alright, let's go to medium in reverse. Yeah, this one does seem like it's got a little faster speed on everything. You know, obviously it's got quite a fast low speed, which is, you know, kind of to be expected for such a small fan. But I would prefer a slower speed. Alright, let's go to high. It's weird how in the video, fan's going in reverse, but, or for me it's going in reverse, but for the video it looks like it's going forward. So I'd assume if it's going forward, it looks like the fan's going in reverse. Oh, one more thing to mention is actually the ball actually does sit in the bracket on my other Laguna, because it's not the correct bracket. It slips through, and the only thing that is held on by is the upper canopy. So yeah, nice little fan. I'm kind of glad to find it new in box. That was kind of a bonus. But yeah, thanks for watching.